Metro Hotspot not working? Let's get you back online. First, restart your device and toggle the hotspot feature off and on. This often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your data plan. Are you within your hotspot data allowance? Exceeding it can lead to throttling or complete cutoff. Also, confirm that cellular data is enabled. If problems persist, verify your APN settings are correct. For Metro, the APN should be fastmetropcs.com. Incorrect settings prevent proper connection. If these quick fixes don't work, move on to more advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider network-related issues. Are you in an area with strong metro coverage? Rural areas often experience spotty connections. Try switching to 4G only mode to bypass potential 5G bugs. Outdated software can also cause problems. Ensure your device's operating system and Metro app are up to date. For persistent issues, reset your device's network settings. This clears out potentially corrupted configurations. As a last resort, contact Metro support directly via 611. They can diagnose account-specific or network-wide problems. Remember, network congestion and ongoing upgrades by T-Mobile, Metro's parent company, can temporarily affect hotspot performance.